This is a tutorial for Peach Pit, Your Long Black Hair. Pretty beginner-friendly song, got some easy chords to it, simple strum pattern, so should be able to pick it up pretty quickly. The chords you're gonna need a handful of them. This is an F. I'm playing it this way, could bar it. Why would you do that to yourself? You're gonna need an A minor, a D minor, a G, an E. You're also going to need a C. You're going to need a G7. If you can, that's great. If you can't, you can get by just fine. It's like a regular G, but I'm stretching my pointer finger all the way to the high E, first fret. If you can mute that A string, perfect. It kind of happens anyway when you stretch that finger over, so it just makes it sound better than hear that. You're gonna need F minor. Again, I'm not barring it the whole thing. I'm just doing the top three now. And an F with the high E open is helpful. You'll kind of hear it when you're playing it on the chorus. And that's it. So the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, the whole way. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So it's like, I'm such a weirdo, ignore me. But you're starting on the F, the regular one. A minor, D minor, G, E, A minor, D minor, G, go to the F now. E, quick on the A minor, G, F, hold it, F minor, and then you go into the chorus. So it's C, A minor, E, and then the F with the high E open. And he kind of does like a little quick palm mute and hits that fourth chord on the upstroke. You'll kind of hear it. So A, E, same thing, A minor, E minor, similar, same thing so far, hold it, A minor, G, for 2 bars are good. And that's it. So after that, first verse is like an instrumental, so it's like, and then you go to C, A minor, hold it, so that's the first instrumental. There's another one, it's a bit longer, same vibe. That is C, A minor, hold it, 1 E, F, I'm doing with the high E open again, quick on the C, straight to G, and then kind of like on the upstroke I hit that G7 for another 2 bars. And then so verse 2 is the same as verse 1. You got A minor, D7, sorry, D minor, G, E, A minor, D minor, G, F, but the regular with the high E, E, A minor, G, F to F minor. Back to the chorus. We just did it. What do you know? It's like the same repeating thing over. I'm crazy. So Now comes the second instrumental. C, A minor for 4 bars. F, C, G. That's all the same. Now it goes C. So I did C. Now just quick on the A minor, 2 bars of E, and then F, and then it's like 3 bars of C. It's a little weird. So I'm just gonna play the whole instrumental part for you, the second instrumental. Back into verse 3, which is kind of the same, but some words it gets a little hairy. But I mean, that's pretty much the whole song. The outro, C, A minor, E, F. Have fun. Knock yourself out. Goodbye.